Hi guys, today's Thursday. This is our math lesson for Thursday, March 26th. I wanted to start by telling you guys the problem set for the day, just so you know that right off the bat. It'll be lesson 9 problem set. I will show you what that looks like. So that'll be this page. I will show you guys again at the end of the video, but that's what you'll complete after this video, and you will upload that to your class's portfolio page. Today we are going to be learning about decomposing the number 8. So yesterday, as a review, we decomposed using number bonds and our problems decomposing the number 7. So now we're just moving on to number 8. So we're going to figure out the 4 ways that you can break down the number 8. And we're going to put those into number bonds and write those equations for the 4 ways that you can decompose the number 8. Before we do that, we're going to jump right into our number practice, practicing numbers 0 through 20, and the number 0 right here. First, I would like everybody to say the numbers along with me, and then we will practice writing them. So everybody, ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, guys. So what I'd like you to do right now, grab your composition book and a pencil and go to your page where you are practicing writing our numbers 0 through 20. Great, when you have that, you are going to date for today. So yesterday was 3/25, today is 3/26/20. So March 26th, 2020. You will write that as 3/26, made up of 2 and 6, /20, 20. So go ahead and write that, and then I'll give you guys a few minutes. You can pause the video and practice writing your number 0 all the way to 20. All right, guys, welcome back. Great job with your numbers. I've seen a lot of great work in portfolios of friends writing the numbers 0 through 20. So that's something we just want to continue to practice so that we are super, super great writing our numbers 0 through 20. So today we are going to be modeling the decomposition of the number 8. So we're going to be doing that with our stars on the side, and we're going to be putting them into our number bond. So now you guys are super, super familiar with what a number bond is. Can you tell somebody what you put, when we're doing a problem, which number are you going to put on the top circle? Great job. So you're going to put in this top circle the whole. The whole will always go in this top circle, and the parts of the whole will go in each of these circles. So to review from yesterday, just before we dive into the number 8, we're going to practice what we did with 7. So yesterday we said 7 equals 5 plus 2. So just as a little review, I have 7 as my whole. Great job. So 7 is going to go in which circle? Great job. This one right here. So I'm going to write number 7 just like that. Great. So I have the number 7 here. I have 2 more numbers, 5 and 2. Tell me this, does it matter if I put the 5 in here or if I put the 5 in here? No. I can put the 5 in here or the 5 in here. So the 5 and 2 can go in either of those circles. Because that's saying that 7 can be broken up into 5 and 2. Great job, guys. So that was one way that we learned yesterday how we can decompose the number 7. So today we're going to take a look at the number 8. All right, guys. So I am going to start by putting, there's that, 4 of my stars in the top part right here. So I'm going to count with me. I'm going to box in 4 of these stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I boxed in 4 stars. I'm going to put 4 stars up top, like that. 4 stars. Can you tell me how many stars I do not have boxed in? Shout it out when you know the number. Good job. 4 stars not boxed in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put those 4 right down here. to make sure I know how many I have on top and how many I have on bottom. So up top, how many stars do I have? 4. Good job. So I'm going to write that number 4 right here. And shout out, how many stars do I have on the bottom? 4. 2. Good job. So I'm going to write the number 4. And how many stars do we have all together? Let's count that. See if we were right. What you said, let's see if we're right. Count these with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 stars all together. So now I want to work on putting my numbers into my number bond. We're going to start with this number right here. What number is that? Number 8. Great job. So I want to figure out which circle I'm going to put my 8 in. Who thinks they know? Point to on your computer which circle my 8 is going to go in. Great, this top one right here. Thumbs up if that's what you said. Great job. So I'm going to put my 8 right here because 8 is my whole. 8 is how many I have all together. How many stars are all together? So I have 8. This one's all done. I'll put a little check there. I have 2 more numbers. I'm going to put my 4 right here because that's a part of my whole. I'm going to put a 4 right here because that's the other part of my whole. So I have 8 is broken up into 4 and 4. So we're going to write that right here so that we don't forget it. So 8, who remembers that sign that we put next? Equals, great job, equals 4 plus 4. So make sure when you're writing it, you do 8 equals 4 plus 4. Great job. So that's our first way that we are going to break up the number 8. So we're going to learn another way that we can break up the number 8. Erase all the stars here. All right, I am going to put 3 stars on top now. Let's erase this one. And we're going to get back to our 8 stars. So we're going to do 4 more stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still have 4 stars. This is Deacon, my dog over here. 8 stars down the side of my whiteboard. So now I'm going to take 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Circle those, and I'm going to put those 3 stars that I circled on the top part. So I have 3 stars on the bottom. Can you count for me? Shout out the number of stars that I do not have circled. Great job. I have 5 stars that are not circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put those all right here. 5. Great job. So I said I have 3 stars up here, and I have 5 stars down here. And how many stars again do we have all together? Great, we have 8 stars all together. So we're saying that 5 plus 3 equals 8. So our part makes our whole. So I'm going to start with my number 8. Tell me if I'm right, if I'm putting it in the right spot. Should 8 go here? No. Should 8 go here? Nope. Should 8 go here? Yeah, I'm going to put the number 8 right there. Can 5 go in this one? Yep. Can 3 go in this circle? Good. So 8 is my whole and broken up into 5 and 3. 8 equals 5 plus 3. Great job. So that's the second way that 8 can be decomposed, broken up into the numbers 5 and 3. So we have 8 equals 5 plus 3. Great job, guys. I want you in your composition book to go to a new page, and I want you to do this next one with me so that you're learning the third way that our number 8 can be decomposed. So in your composition book, I want you to draw 8 circles. So in your composition book, on the next page after your next blank page, I want you to draw 8 circles. Why would you erase these? Your circles are going to be like my stars I have over here. So you're going to draw 8 circles. I'm going to draw my 8 stars back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you have 8 circles in your composition book. We are going to break it up and show the last or one more way that the number 8 can be decomposed. So I'm going to start by taking one circle. I want you to put one of your stars. Sorry, go back. I want you to make a line like this too. So you're going to have 8 circles like I do on this side with my stars. And I want you to draw a line so that you have a top part and you have a bottom part. Okay, so right now draw your 8 circles and then make a line so you have your top part and your bottom part. Great job, guys. Okay, so now I want you to take one circle and you're going to put it right in here where I put my star. So put one circle on top. Great job. Now I want you to count how many circles you did not put on top. How many circles do you have left? Shout out that number when you know. Good. Did you say 7? Good job. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars or circles that we did not put up top. So I'm going to put those 7 underneath. So right now I want you to put your 7 circles on the bottom part of the line. So you have 1 up here and you have 7 down here. So in your composition book, you should have 1 circle with the number 1 next to it, a line, and then 7 circles, and the 7 under or next to it. So that's showing we had 8 stars or circles all together. If we take 1, there are 7 left. So that means 8 can be broken up into 7 and 1 to make 8. So I'm going to stick these numbers into my number bond. I want you to draw your number bond. Okay, just like that. You have 1 circle, lines, 2 circles. And I want you to work on right now putting these 3 numbers, 8, 1, and 7, into your number bond. And I'm going to put it on the board and you'll be able to check to see if that's what you had in your number bond. Right? Does your number bond look like this right here? Shout out woo woo if your number bond looks like this right here. 8 on top, broken into 1 and 7. So that means 7 is a part, 1 is a part. Put it together and you get the number 8. Great job. And this is how we are going to write our equation for 8 broken up into 1 and 7. If you think you can write it on your own, please try. Please try writing the equations like this, but put in for this number bond. So we have 8, our equal sign, 1, our plus sign, 7. This says 8 equals 1 plus sign, 7. So that is another way that 8 can be broken up into 1 and 7. 8 equals 1 plus 7. Great job with that, guys, today. We have been working really hard on decomposing our numbers. We're working on right now this week numbers 6 through 10. So today we learned how to decompose the number 8. 3 ways that we can break up the number 8. We said 8 equals 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 can be broken up into 5 plus 3 equals 8. And 8 can be broken up into 1 plus 7 equals 8. Great job today, guys. Your task for today is to work on this lesson 9 problem set. This is what this is. Find that in the binder, lesson 9 problem set. You will complete this and you will upload this to your class's portfolio page. I'm really happy about the work I've been seeing in portfolio. You guys have been doing a really great job with your problem sets and your math work. And I will see you for our next lesson on Friday. Have a great day, guys.